In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use a PlayStation 5 controller on Xbox Cloud Gaming. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, before I start teaching this process, I want to highlight this website available on the official support page for Xbox. What controllers can I use for cloud gaming on Xbox? This website has a list of official controllers, designed controllers, and verified controllers that are going to work with xCloud. And if you scroll down, one of the categories is actually going to be Sony controllers. You can see that DualShock 4 wireless controllers over a Bluetooth connection are actually natively supported, which is crazy. But PlayStation 5 is not here, so while it is possible to use a DualSense to play on Xbox Cloud Gaming, you will have to do some workarounds. But I did want to bring this to light. If you don't want to go through this process and you have a DualShock 4 instead, you can use it natively, so I would recommend doing this. However, like I said, if you still want to use your DualSense, the tool that you need is this DS4-Windows, available at the website ds4-windows.com. What this is going to do is emulate an Xbox 360 controller. So when your controller gets detected inside of this executable tool, it is going to pretend that it is an Xbox controller. And when you access the cloud gaming service, it is going to read that you are using an Xbox controller, which means that all the keystrokes and all the binds that you use on your DualSense will get translated natively. So all that you have to do is click the option to download. It is going to start downloading right away. And after you are done, just run the executable file. It is extremely easy to use. And after you are done using this, you can still use it for other games. It is always going to be available, and it is extremely simple to do. So just open up the tool. It is going to detect all the controllers connected to your PC. And I apologize, I currently do not have a DualSense controller to demonstrate this process, but it is extremely intuitive. You will be able to set up every single key however you like, or you can leave it on default and the translation will be done by itself. After you are done doing this, just click on any game, click play, and the controller should get detected as long as you have it connected. I hope I was able to help you on how to use PlayStation 5 controller on Xbox Cloud Gaming. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.